Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Infiniti Q50. This has the V6 twin turbo in it and it is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. It's a very spunky little vehicle, handles extremely well, it's very nimble on the road, and you see a little bit of flickering in the LEDs. That's the refresh rate of my camera that's doing that. And to the human eye, it just stays solid. See, it does have alloy wheels, dual exhaust. They do have some extra electrical parts there. All right, we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See, it does have a black leather interior. Here's a shot of that VIN right there, and I will upload some still photos as well, as I know I go through this fairly quickly. As you look down here, you'll see that it has 29,111 miles on it. And then right here you've got your stereo controls, your push to talk, your cruise control, push button start, stereo, and you see that you have a touch screen here and an LCD screen there. So you have your emergency assist, and you have Bluetooth as well. And then we'll come up here, you can check from your audio sources of AM, FM, Sirius XM, and as the other ones are plugged in, then they will light up for auxiliary and USB. Okay, and if you want to see the backup camera, we pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera. Okay, and then as you come down, there's your disk drive, your radio selector, and right here you also have your comfort controls, shifter, and this also works with your infotainment as well. Here's your drive mode selector, and then key fob and cup holders, and then you have your USB and auxiliary ports there. Then you've got your glove compartment, glasses holder, your map reading lights, and that's about wraps it up for this Infiniti on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the rear in the center. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.